Efficient utilization of equipment is a concern in any brewery, whether large or small. Saving time means saving money. Whether a brewery has 2 or 5 vessels in their brewhouse, there are 5 key process steps that cannot be skipped, truncated, avoided, or bypassed. Milling and weighing up. Mashing. Wort extraction, including spent grains removal. Wort boiling. And wort cooling, including trub separation. Mash in. Combo mash/lauter vessel. Hydrated milled grains should fill the vessel. The end result should be well-distributed, hydrated grains at the target temperature. To speed this process up, considering reviewing the following: capacity of existing grist conveying equipment, capacities of existing hot and cold liquor pumps. Ensure the grain transfer completes ahead of the mash in water. Drop pipe. For systems using a gravity drop from the grist case to mash mixer or mash lauter tun, this may involve a larger drop pipe. Hydrator design. Ensure it has the capability of presenting a fully homogeneous mash to the respective vessel at the increased mashing and rates. This relationship between hot and cold liquor is very important to strike water temperatures and flows.